Hi, this is Thea, and today I'm going to show you how to manage your task setting using CrmOne. Now, a task refers to a specific action, activity, or assignment that needs to be completed by a user or a team within the CRM system. Tasks are often associated with specific contacts, leads, opportunities, or accounts and are used to track and manage interactions, activities, and follow-ups with customers, prospects, and other stakeholders. Now to start with, you need to go to Sales, and we need to look for Tasks. Now, after opening, you can see here all the tasks you have initially made. There is also a specific tab for each status of the task. You have here the due today, overdue, and upcoming tasks. Now let's check out the icons here at the right side. So first, you can actually change the preview of your task by clicking this toggle menu. You can actually put it to list view like this one, or you can put it in grid view. Now you can also click the search bar if you wanted to look for a specific task. Also, by clicking this column, you can also filter the task by task number, due date and time, task type, create a date, and tags. Now next is the refresh if you wanted to refresh the task you wanted to see here, and then the save filter to make the filter in default mode. Now, if you wanted to make a new task, you can click this button for add task if you wanted to create task. And after clicking, the first thing you need to do is associate the task either to a contact, account, or deal. So let's say we will be connecting or associating this task to a contact. So let's choose one contact, and then we will click save. Then you need to enter the details about this task and enter the name of this task. So for example, this is going to be contract approval. Then you can also add here the details or important details of the task. And then you also need to enter here the due date, due time. So let's put here the due date. So let's say the due date of this task is going to be on November the 30th. And then the due time, so let's say it's going to be 10 a.m. All right. And then you also have here the type. You have here to do, email, or call. So let's say it's going to be call. You can also change here the priority of this task if it's low, medium, or high. So let's leave it at medium. And the status of the task, so not started, in progress, waiting, completed, and deferred. So let's say this is already in progress. You can also select a tag if you wanted. Now, lastly is you can assign this to users or teams, wherein this will actually depend on your strategies or to whom you would like to assign this task. Now, you can also change the person who assigned the specific task, which will also be of your choice. Now, let's leave it like this, and once you're done, you can just click Create Task. Now that your task is up and running, as you can see, you can now access the newest feature in CrmOne where you can make a checklist to optimize your task organization by dividing your task into more manageable checklists. Now, we will click the task we created. And after clicking, you can now see all the details of the task. You can also update here the status, details, and you can find here all the information regarding about the task. Now, to create a checklist, you can just simply click the Create Checklist button. And then you need to enter the name of the checklist. Let's say Presenting of Proposal. Alright, then after that, you can just click Add. And once you have added the checklist, you will have the option to add your desired sub-checklist. So we will click Add Item. And then we will put here the name of the sub-checklist. So let's say File. Then we will click Add, and that will be automatically added. So you can also type here another sub-checklist, which will be of your choice. And after that, once you have added the checklist or the sub-checklist, you will now have the option to just click this box. And after that, you will also see the progress of this checklist by percentage, so it would be easier for you to keep track of your task. Now, you will also have option to add multiple checklists of your choice and delete them if it's not needed. Now, you also have the option to add a due date over here if you wanted to add a due date for this specific subtask. So let's say it's going to be on the 30th of September. So it will be automatically updated in there as well. Now, if you don't need the subtask anymore, you can just easily delete by clicking this delete icon. Now, these checklists will be automatically saved, so you don't have to worry about making the change again if not saved. Now, if you have attachments you would like to include on this task, you can easily click the add attachment. Then you can just click the media you would like to add, or you can actually upload from your local file. Now, down below is where you can also put side comments if there's any valuable information that needs to be remembered, so it would be easier for you and for your users to have one thought about the task. So you can put it here. So let's say if you wanted to put here, remember, then you can click post your comments. And that is how you manage your task using CrmOne. I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day ahead. Goodbye for now.